Hi guys, how are you all doing? So today, guys, there is this recipe I have been meaning to try out. Like I've been hearing a lot of testimonies about this recipe, but today I've decided to try it out. Ehen. Mostly now that you know, husband man is around, so I I need to try it out. I have been waiting so my practicals won't be wasted. But you see today, I'm going to try it out. And this recipe was gotten from husband material. He was the one that posted the recipe, and a lot of people were posting their testimonies about the recipe. So today, Kokati is trying out her own. Oh yeah, you want to know what the recipe is? Keep watching the video. So our first thing we need is a glass cup, and here is my glass cup. The recipe for the stuff, I want to say the recipe before I will tell you what this thing does to the body. We'll be needing clove, those zobo, that thing they are using to make zobo. Clove or clove. Here it is, clove. So we'll be needing clove.